First time out. You getting wet, honey, or is everything working okay?
I'm soaked to the bone.
He's soaked to the bone. Okay, honey. Have fun.
Okay, I'm going to put my skeg down.
All right, and I'm going to meet you. I'm going to go over there to that bridge.
Okay.
Okay?
Alrighty, hon. I hate this. This is no fun at all.
See you later, alligator. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Let's do it until he gets to the end of the dock. Make sure he doesn't crash. Good job, honey. Good job. Hold on a second. We're going to come right to the top. That's quite the incline, baby. There he is, I think. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see very well. It's a beautiful day out here on Lake Patagonia in southeastern Arizona, very close to Nogales, Arizona, and Nogales, Sonora. Nogales is the Spanish word for walnuts. FYI. There he goes, under the bridge. Oh no! Okay. Gonna take you back around. That's what that bridge looks like. It's quite an incline there. And here he comes out the other side. There's my sweetie. Doing it right. Honey, you got too much of a wake going. All right, we're gonna go find him somewhere else now. Okay, I got his attention. I've asked him to come this way. So, whoops, I didn't mean to go like so. There we go. There's my sweetie. There's my honey. Man, he's paddling well. Look at him go. Bye, sweetie. Bring you down here to take a look at this duck. Because there's a little black duck floating in the water. A little black duck doing what it oughter. Here's my sweetie. There he is. Oops. There he is waving his little banner. I didn't mean it like that. Here he comes. Come closer, honey.
What are you going to do today?
There he is. That's right. So Barry's asking you, what are you guys up to today? Here he is out here in the middle of the water. Paddling is brand new to him kayak. And totally enjoying the day.
Living my life with the ducks.
There he goes, living his life with the ducks. MR ducks.
No, we're not ducks.
MR2 ducks. Look at him go. I'm telling you. The guy's good. The guy is good.
Bad to the bone.
There you go.
Probably about 12 miles an hour right here.
I would say, I think he's creating too much of a wake. He needs to knock it off, or they're going to bust him.
Coming in sideways.
Here he comes. He knows how to do this. Woo-hoo! And that was my honey's practice run. He was gone for maybe, I don't know, 40, 45 minutes altogether.
Was that?
I'm not really sure.
I don't even know.
I did a lot of walking, but there really wasn't many places to walk to.
Yeah.
I just kind of stay on the road because I don't have walking shoes on for a trail or
Yeah, I
anything
probably
like that.
did half the lake.
Yeah. Good job, honey. Give us a nod.
Okay.
Here, I'm going to zoom in on you. There you are. Okay, smile, sweetie.
You're a natural.
This is awesome. I think I need to fix those foot pegs, though. They're not quite up far enough, I don't think.
So I put them too far away from you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not snug on my knees, and so I feel myself straining to, keep, especially in my left.
Yeah.
My
That's something that's going to take some. You look pretty good in it, girl.
The kayak kayaking woman. Now
Yes.
I need to get a new Life is Good t-shirt that has kayak on it.
That's right.
This is great. Coming in to split up the ducks.
Well, if you think you like them here in a bit, we'll get you one, and then we'll go off and do some kayaking.
Okay, so now how do I bring this baby in?
You're gonna have to get it sideways. So however you want to get it sideways.
Let's see. Actually, I was going to go other sideways, but it probably doesn't work.